Alright. Train surf challenge thingamabob. Here are the rules.
Each of us will be tied by the feet, competing to stand up on the train for the longest. There'll be 3 goes each. Whoever gets the combined highest time wins the big cash prize. We got pillows and a helmet so it doesn't hurt so much. And yeah, that's the game.
Attitude fit. Alright, there's one.
I know what else got pillows on that movement. I don't know the one with clothes.
Alright, there we go. There's one.
Lloyd's first up. Let's see how he does.
So awkward, bro. Oh.
I hate to be Lloyd.
This shit's gonna fall over, bro. This is funny, guys. Alright. Just really hold your knees and ankles together. Or your hands together like that. Yeah, good.
Drama.
Oh, stop. Yeah. How long was that, lad?
It lasted 2
I was thinking.
Oh, you're right. Sit down.
This is the train surf.
What the
Oh, yeah, facts. Fuck. That looked like, how bad was that, bro? That looked like it hurt. 3.98, that's record. 3.98, record. Oh, that's funny. Oh shit. How long are you gonna go for? 20? 20 seconds, fucking hell.
Stop the cap.
20 seconds. Let's go. Nah.
This stops the movement. Look at this speed you got. You're gonna be fucking...
Boom! Like and subscribe.
Next up, we got the crook.
That's me, that's perfect. Nervous, Charlie?
Nah, man. Been wanting to do this all my life.
Oh my lord.
Yeah.
Born for this?
Good.
Nice together, bro.
This guy's been training.
Bro, this kid hurts.
He's gonna fucking kill God. Bro, I'm scared for you, lad. Come on. Yeah, that's funny, as.
So hard.
How long was that? 350. Oh, that's a strong start. Alright, Charlie, round 2.
Round 2, baby. It's gonna be 10.
Oh, he's staying strong.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck.
I'm on to it.
Nah, it's about to get bumpy though. We're about to speed up, con.
Nah.
Bro, this dude's going well though. What the fuck? Good.
Last round, I want a strong finish. Trying to aim for at least 10 seconds on this.
Alright, that is strong. Get up to 30 seconds. That's a good round.
We've already beat the easy opposition Lloyd.
Oh,
It's just,
I'm a Lloyd.
Now it's us on to beat the world records. It's
Kind of a little rude.
like that.
A little rude, actually. Alright, Charlie, round 3.
Round 3.
Oh, that's dodgy start. He's keeping it strong. Oh fuck. I'm gonna have to go big here.
10 and count.
Oh my god, fuck. This guy's going well. Oh, that's good. Wait, time on that.
21-16, 21.
21. What's your total? You're like 35.
42.
42. Oh my
I've
lord.
been outdone.
Next up's your boy. Better win it. Type shit.
Oh, this really going. Oh, that's time. Ready to talk? Oh, I'm just so nervous now.
I'd take it's different.
I just felt straight in the knees.
How long is it?
4:16, bro.
4:16.
I actually can't get up.
4:16.
I'm like,
Right, it's different the other way, huh?
What are you doing with that?
Yeah, photo.
Yeah, Nope. I don't have to, man.
Thank you very much.
It'll go down, man.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, he's wobbling, wobbling.
No. It's so slip, bro.
9 seconds. 9 seconds.
9 seconds. This guy
Is that the
stinks.
13? 30 seconds exactly.
Oh shit. Oh. Ooh.
Bro, he can twist his ankles, bro. Look at him. He got one foot planted back there, bro. That's cheap.
Ah. Wow. Time.
21 seconds.
Ah. How you feel,
Post-game
Henry? How you feel?
I'm feeling defeated, I'm feeling shit, my knee hurts,
Right, man.
my arms hurt, and I'm stuck right now.
Could always be worse.
Cheers. Alright, Charlie won with
42 seconds in total.
42 seconds. I came in second with like 20. Lloyd was like 7.
Yep.
Anyway, big cash prize for Charlie. There you go.
$10 bill.
I ain't Mr. Beast, but there we go. Love that. Alright, and as always, cheers to watch.
Fuck, I think it dislocated my shoulder.